Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, it's going to be about first sneakers, then kinda like tech. And for the first part, I'm going to unbox a really cool sneaker. So one of my favorite, well, this is me being a kid, cartoon movies or animated movies has always been Kung-Fu Panda, because I can totally relate to Po, you know, the lead character, the dragon warrior, the cool looking lazy panda who eventually becomes like a super kick-ass warrior. And this, for today, we have their collaboration with Reebok. So it's been a while actually. It's been a minute since I last unboxed a pair of Reebok kicks. So we will be unboxing the Reebok Kung Fu Panda Dragon Warrior. Excited? I am. Tara, let's go. Before we get started with today's episode, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. You guys know it, Rose Gold and Black. To those who don't know, Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories brand. They specialize in beaded bracelets, leather bracelets, they have necklaces, they have rings, they have a variety of accessories that you guys will definitely enjoy. Now, the good news is there's a link down below wherein you can get 25% discount and you even get a complimentary bracelet when you put in and check out an order. Oh, diba? That is such amazing value for money. The great thing about Rose Gold and Black is that they really come up with excellent products, amazing quality for the price, super great value, and at the same time, you get the freebie. Oh, by the way, the freebies are limited in number, so if ever you are going to buy one, now is one of the best times to do so. So shout out to the sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Check them out, link down below. Now, this sneaker actually comes in a pack with different silhouettes of Reebok in collaboration with the different characters or themes from Kung Fu Panda. This particular sneaker is one of their most legendary silhouettes, which is the Instapump Fury OG. And as you guys can see, the box over here is in red. You have the Reebok Kung Fu Panda embossed. You have the different characters of Kung Fu Panda circling the Kung Fu Panda logo. You have different festive colors, very Chinese New Year vibe, as you can take a look at the box. If you pop the box open, the tissue paper actually contains design elements or designs of the different sneakers as part of the collaboration. And now let's get to the shoe. Bam! This is it, guys. This is the Reebok Kung Fu Panda Dragon Warrior featuring the Instapump Fury OG silhouette. And as you guys can see, it has a lot of things that I love when it comes to shoes. Number one, it is color brown and you have the contrast with the black and white, obviously because of the colors of the panda. The brown being the shorts of Po in the animated series. And you have different elements of the Dragon Warrior or Po throughout the shoe. First up, seeing as it is a panda, you have furry black suede throughout the upper of the sneaker. Now, if you take a look at the midfoot section, there's actually a dragon symbol inscribed over there, which is obviously Dragon Warrior. The textile pump bladder as well as the pull tab, reminiscent of his patchwork shorts. Even the internal lining that you see over here is actually inspired by his waistband and belt. Now, if you take a look at the pumps over here, you have the noodles, which Po loves to eat, and of course, a graphic of Kung Fu Panda on the right pair. If you take a look at the back of the sneaker, you have the logo of Kung Fu Panda. Now, if you take a look at the outsole, you see the shank over here at the middle. This actually has a bamboo finish, which is inspired by the bamboo staff of Po. So overall, in terms of design, in terms of elements, in terms of inspiration, there are a lot of details definitely inspired by the Dragon Warrior, which is just really nice. So how is the sneaker on feet? Well, it is your typical Reebok Instapump Fury. You do get great cushioning because of the foam that they use for the midsole. You do feel some sort of like separation in the middle because it is not like one fluid like slab of foam. There is that bamboo shank at the middle, or that shank at the middle with the bamboo finish that gives you some sort of like better, I don't know, like support for the middle part of your shoe. Overall, in terms of wearing it, I did feel that while it isn't the most comfortable sneaker I've ever worn, it's still something that I would definitely still consider above average. Now, when it comes to sizing, I would recommend that if you have wide feet like me, that you go at least a half size up, maybe even go a full size up. If you have narrow feet, you could probably get away with with doing with true to size. So what do you guys think of the Kung-Fu Panda Reebok Dragon Warrior Instapump Fury OG? Let me know down below in the comment section. Would love to hear from every single one of you. Now, if you're wondering what are the other styles, there are 3 more sneakers in this collection. There is the Club C Master Your Style. There's also the Club C Calling All Zodiacs. And lastly, the Zig Kinetica, which is one of their latest silhouettes over from Reebok, Master of Tai Chi. So that wraps up the sneaker segment of today's episode, but we're not yet done. I'm actually going to show you guys a little bit of tech that I found super interesting. As you guys know, it's the age of the air fryer. At least here in the Philippines, people are going crazy over it. So I'll just share with you an affordable air fryer that we discovered that you might want to consider buying, especially if you're thinking of getting one. Tara, we'll head on over to the living room. Ba-bam! So guys, here we have it. This is the Kiowa air fryer. So this sells for less than 3,000 pesos on Lazada. So it is super affordable, and you do get like 360 air circulation for air frying. It uses less oil for healthy cooking, and it has 3 liters capacity. This comes in 2 colors. This one is in red. There is a black version as well. If you guys want one, I will link down below on where you can get this on Lazada. I think it's discounted right now. It looks really dope. And by the way, to those who don't know what an air fryer is, it can bake, roast, or fry. 3 liters capacity, uses little to no oil for healthier dishes, up to 200 degrees rotary temperature control, residue collector for mess-free cooking. Oh, you know, available in black and red. Yeah! Talk about the Kung Fu Panda Dragon Warrior Po episode, no? Talagang kailangan may pagkain tayo. Chibog! Now, just so you guys see what it looks like, oh, not bad, right? I mean, for the price, it actually looks really cool. I mean, it would look nice in your kitchen. Apart from that, works really well. So yeah, check it out. I'll link it down below on Lazada. So yeah, that pretty much covers today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. We unboxed a new pair of sneakers from Reebok, collaboration with Kung Fu Panda, and we checked out an air fryer that we recently picked up here for the house. Let me know what you guys think of both items. Let me know of the shoe, what you think of the shoe. Let me know what you think of the air fryer. Hit the comments. Would love to hear from every single one of you. Also, if you've reached this point, please do give the video a thumbs up because it helps the video, it helps the channel a lot. That's one of the best things that you can do to support me, is to give the videos that I upload a thumbs up or give it a like. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check out my Instagram as well. Guys, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you had an amazing, restful, meaningful weekend, and I pray that all of you have a productive, amazing week up ahead. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.